how to view your Facebook memories and your past activities. Now this is really simple. So before moving on with it, if you're new to our channel, go down below, hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to hit this bell icon so you don't miss out on our upcoming videos. So now let's go back to the video. Now to view your Facebook memories, what you need to do is first just open up your Facebook and then go to your menu. That's on the bottom right. After you go to the menu, you'll see under your shortcuts the memory option. Just click on memory and you're there. Since my account's new, there are not many memories, but you can just click on your highlights. You can see your Facebook memories, what you have done, your oldest memories, your albums that you have created, like my mobile uploads, and even your photos with friends. Okay, so let me just click on one of my friends, go to next, and then I can see all the photos and videos that I have with that friend. And after that, you can also go to the journey where you will be able to see all your journeys and even ask a question. So that is how you view your past memories. Now to view your past activities, what you need to do is you need to just go back to the menu section, scroll down, click on settings and privacy. After you go to your settings and privacy, just scroll down till you find your activity section. Just click on activity log and you'll be able to see all of your Facebook activities that you have done. Now if you just go to your activity history right there, you'll be able to see all your history right here. Now you can also tap on filter to see to filter out dates. You can start a date here and then also choose an end date and then see the activities that you've done between those dates. So that is how you do it, guys. That is how you view your Facebook memories and your past activities. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned. Bye bye.